what we're doing in today's class, all right? So take a look at the overhead. So when you go to the Digital Voices site, the course updates will always be posted on the main page, all right? And this one right here is for what we're doing in class today, or actually this week. Last week, I was very happy that most of you were able to complete up to the animated banner. Most of you actually completed that activity, which is fantastic. So let's take a look at this upcoming week. We do have 5 days of class. You're going to complete the entire unit of digital imaging. Activity 5 is a very easy activity. Very straightforward. It's about taking a picture, a texture, and then adding it to text to give it a title graphic. Then you're going to do activity 6, which will be due by the end of Tuesday's class. Activity 7 will be due by the end of Thursday's class, and activity 8 will be due at the end of Friday's class. Activity 8 will take a lot more time than all the other activities. There's nothing due on the Wednesday. So, on Friday of this week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you your rich activity. It is not a traditional activity. It's basically this. It's like equivalent to a test, right? You've been using Fireworks to create web graphics. What you will be doing now will be demonstrating how you can create vector artwork for a website without any specific instructions of step-by-step. This is how you do the following activity. I will walk you through it this week. I'm just going to give you a quick little insight into what you're working on. You're going to be actually creating a series of logos, and they have to be vector-based. And I have the logos listed here, and then some examples of different types of logos that are out there for social media. Okay, so that's what's due this week. The rich activity will be worth a lot more when it comes to weight of the course. I am planning on sometime tomorrow's class, or I may even start today, going around, and I'm going to ask you to show me your work. At this point, you should have up to activity 4 completed. Now, your Wix site. Just look at the overhead. We haven't started the web design unit yet, but everyone's created their Wix site. What I'm going to get everyone to do is this, and I'm recording this little video so that it will help you out. You open up, you log into Wix, you go to Edit. When you go into Edit, you need the HTML editor to load. And what we're going to do is we will create a series of pages, parent page and sub pages for your work to be posted on. So what you need to do is scroll over to the left, you click on Pages. When you click on Pages, these are the pages that are currently there. You don't need to worry about deleting them right now. What I'd like you to do is go down to Add Page. And this page is going to be called Imaging Unit. And then you simply hit OK. What should happen is you'll get the imaging unit over here, but with no drop down yet. You will need to go back to Add Page, and we're going to call this Activity 1, and I'm going to add it as a sub page and click OK. And now this is directly underneath Imaging Unit. Go back, Add Page, Activity 2 as a sub page. OK. It should drop down right here. So when we go over to your site, under Preview, you should be able to scroll down and click Activity 1, Activity 2. Then what you will do is you'll post any images that you took, like if it's a plan, your 5 thumbnail pictures, you're going to take a picture of that, put it on Activity 1 page. Anything that you've done for each activity will need to be posted to this site. Any questions on how to add a page? No? Okay, so again, you have editor mode and you have preview mode. As soon as you've added all those pages, just hit save and you are done.